So you're welcome to my YouTube channel today I'm going to make up my sister. We decided to have a um we just decided to make a video of like a makeup transformation, and it's like currently 1:50 a.m., like 10 minutes to 2. So yeah. So I'm using the GLAM setting spray, and then the foundation I mixed from Avo Cosmetics and Ezekiel Cosmetics. So I'm just applying it in different shades, the highlight shade and the one by the side. And I'm now going in with lipstick as blush. Just trust the process. And also, if you are using this method, you have to work fast with your products, like with blending it out, especially if you're using matte products, because it's gonna dry up and it will be difficult for you to blend. So I just went in to add some highlights to the face using the pillowy base. So I'm currently setting the face, especially the highlighted areas, using the Beauty by AD setting powder in translucent. So we are going in with Ezekiel Cosmetics powder palette to set the entire face and to contour the places that needed to be contoured. So what I'm doing right now is just highlighting underneath to contour to chisel out the face. As you can see, the contour around the face is more obvious now, so I'm just blending everything out. So please, if you've stayed up till this point, subscribe to my channel and leave me some love in the comments. Thank you. So I'm just basically using powder to set the eyelid. I did not go in with any eyeshadow. I just basically used powder and eyeliner. That's all. So as you can see, the eyeliner is thick. That's because that's the only thing I want dots to really stand out on the eye. So fine. So we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for staying up until this point. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the post notification bell, and subscribe to my sister's YouTube channel at Zainab Gambo. I will leave the link to her channel in the description box below. Thank you so much. If you want me to bring her back to the channel again, let me know. She's definitely coming back. So yeah, kisses.